What if I told you there could be infinite versions of you in infinite universes living out infinite possibilities? Sounds like a plot from a sci-fi movie, right? But this is the intriguing premise of the multiverse concept. The multiverse theory proposes that our universe, the one with the Milky Way, Earth, and your favorite coffee shop, is not the only one out there. Instead, it's just a small part of a larger system, a multiverse, teeming with countless other universes. Picture it this way. Imagine a library where each book represents a universe. Some books are similar, with only a word or two changed. Others are entirely different, with unique characters and plots. That's the multiverse for you, a grand cosmic library of universes. But what does this mean for us? Well, if the multiverse concept holds true, it suggests that there could be universes where dinosaurs never went extinct, where the laws of physics are entirely different, or where you decided to have tea instead of coffee this morning. This concept raises profound questions about reality, existence, and identity. If there are infinite versions of us, then who are we really? Are we unique, or just one of countless copies spread across an endless cosmic sea? The multiverse theory also challenges our understanding of space and time. In a multiverse, time could flow backward, sideways, or not at all. And space could be made of something entirely different than the three dimensions we're familiar with. Yet as mind-boggling as the multiverse concept is, it's not without its critics. Some argue that it's more of a philosophical idea than a scientific one, as it's currently impossible to observe or test for other universes. Despite these criticisms, the multiverse theory continues to captivate scientists, philosophers, and curious minds alike. It represents the ultimate what-if, pushing the boundaries of our imagination and understanding. So sit tight as we dive into this cosmic voyage exploring the captivating concept of the multiverse. Have you ever wondered why our universe seems so perfectly tuned for life? It's a question that's puzzled scientists and philosophers alike, leading us to the concept of cosmic fine-tuning. This idea suggests that the conditions in our universe, from the rate of expansion to the strength of gravity, are so precisely calibrated that even slight deviations could render life as we know it impossible. The minds behind this concept? A group of physicists, including Fred Hoyle, who first spotted these delicate balances in the mid-20th century. Enter the anthropic principle. Coined by physicist Brandon Carter in the 70s, this principle argues that the universe must be observed to be as it is because if it were any different, we wouldn't be here to observe it. It's a bit like saying, isn't it lucky that Earth is just the right distance from the sun for life? Well, not really, because if it weren't, we wouldn't be here to find it lucky. But where does the multiverse fit into all this? Well, some scientists propose that if there are indeed multiple universes or a multiverse, each with its own set of physical laws and constants, then it's not so surprising that at least one of those universes, ours, turned out to be just right for life. It's a bit like a cosmic lottery. With enough tickets, or in this case, universes, one is bound to hit the jackpot. This multiverse notion offers a potential answer to the question of why our universe appears so finely tuned. It's not that the conditions in our universe are miraculously perfect for life, but rather that with so many universes out there, it was inevitable that at least one would have the right conditions for life to emerge. Doesn't it make you wonder if there are other universes, could they too harbor life? Who knows? Maybe there's another version of you out there pondering the exact same question. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's just marvel at the wonder of our own finely tuned cosmic home. Now, let's delve into the world of theoretical physics, where the multiverse is more than just a sci-fi trope. Imagine a universe, much like ours, where the laws of physics are slightly different, or another one where gravity is 10 times stronger. Sounds like a plot from a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But it's not. Welcome to the realm of string theory and brain cosmology. These branches of theoretical physics suggest the existence of multiple universes or multiverses. Let's start with string theory. It's a model of theoretical physics that replaces the point-like particles with one-dimensional objects or strings. Each string vibrates at a different frequency, and each frequency corresponds to a different particle. So every particle we know, from quarks to photons, is just a string vibrating at its own unique frequency. In the context of multiverse theories, string theory is a game changer. It postulates that our universe is just one of an almost infinite number of universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws. The theory suggests that these universes are floating in higher dimensional space, like bubbles in a cosmic sea. But what about brain cosmology? Brain, short for membrane, is a concept derived from string theory. In brain cosmology, our universe is visualized as a three-dimensional brain floating in a higher dimensional space, referred to as bulk. Other brains, or parallel universes, could also exist in this bulk, each with its own set of physical laws. Both string theory and brain cosmology are still in their infancy, and there's much we don't yet understand. But they offer a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of a multiverse. They challenge our understanding of reality and force us to rethink our place in the cosmos. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? The idea that our universe could be just one of many, floating in a cosmic sea. Moving on, ever heard of Schrödinger's cat? Then you know where this is going. Let's talk quantum mechanics. This is the realm of the teeny tiny, where particles can exist in two places at once, pop in and out of existence, and even teleport. As strange as it sounds, these aren't the plot points of a science fiction novel, but the very real, albeit bizarre, behaviors observed in the quantum world. Now, how does this relate to the multiverse, you ask? It's simple. Enter the many worlds interpretation. This theory, first proposed by physicist Hugh Everett in the late 50s, suggests that for each possible outcome of a quantum event, the world splits into parallel universes. Rather dramatic, isn't it? Picture it like this. In one universe, you decided to tune into this video, while in another you chose to watch cat videos instead. In yet another, you're the one explaining quantum mechanics to me. All these realities exist simultaneously, according to the many worlds interpretation. This interpretation of quantum mechanics paints a picture of an endlessly branching tree of universes, each branch representing a different possible outcome. It's a bit like having your cake and eating it too, only the cake is the universe and you're eating it in a parallel world. But it's not all fun and games. The many worlds interpretation raises profound questions about the nature of reality and our place in it. If there are infinite versions of you in infinite universes, which one is the real you? Is there even such a thing? Let's not forget about Schrödinger's poor cat, caught in a quantum superposition, both dead and alive, until someone decides to peek. In a quantum multiverse, the cat gets to live on in one branch, while meeting its unfortunate end in another. In a quantum multiverse, every choice, every chance, every quantum event spawns a new universe. Makes you think twice about skipping breakfast, doesn't it? So, we've talked science. Now let's get philosophical. The multiverse concept doesn't just challenge our scientific understanding, it also shakes up our philosophical perspectives. It's like opening a cosmic Pandora's box, filled with questions about reality, existence, and everything in between. Let's start with cosmic fine-tuning. The idea that our universe's life-supporting conditions are so precise, it's like finding a needle in an infinite cosmic haystack. Some philosophers, like Robin Collins, argue this is evidence of a designed multiverse. Others, like John Leslie, see it more as a cosmic lottery, where we just hit the jackpot. Whichever side you're on, it's hard to deny that the odds of our existence are astronomically high, and not in a good way. Now let's step into the realm of possible worlds, a concept popularized by philosopher David Lewis. In this view, every possible version of our world exists somewhere in the multiverse. So there's a universe where you're the world's best pancake flipper, and another where dinosaurs never went extinct. But before you start dreaming of Jurassic pancakes, remember that these are just hypothetical possibilities. Then there's the question of what is real. If multiple universes exist, are they all equally real? Or is our universe more real because it's the one we experience? Philosopher Nick Bostrom suggests that if we live in a multiverse, we might actually be living in a computer simulation. It's like the Matrix, but with more quantum mechanics and less Keanu Reeves. The implications of the multiverse concept are mind-boggling, to say the least. It challenges our understanding of reality, existence, and the nature of the cosmos. And while it might seem like a daunting prospect, it's also a fascinating one. As we delve deeper into the multiverse, we find ourselves at the intersection of science and philosophy, questioning not just what is, but what could be. Now, not everyone's on board with the multiverse. Let's hear their side. The multiverse hypothesis, despite its intriguing allure, faces significant challenges and criticisms. One of the primary issues is testability. As of now, We lack the technology and means to directly observe or measure other universes. This brings us to the problem of falsifiability, a cornerstone of scientific theories. If we can't test the multiverse hypothesis, we can't prove it wrong, which makes it less of a scientific theory and more of a philosophical conjecture. Furthermore, there's the issue of empirical support. Without concrete evidence, the multiverse remains a theoretical construct, albeit a fascinating one. These issues have sparked intense debates within scientific and philosophical circles. However, as with any scientific exploration, uncertainty is part of the adventure. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there's no denying that the multiverse is a fascinating concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the mind-bending concept of the multiverse. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow explorers of the unknown. Subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content that delves into the mysteries of the universe. What are your thoughts on the multiverse? Share your comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And remember, the universe is vast, and so is the potential for discovery. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and keep questioning the world around you.